First off, what Taskrabbit is it's an online business where you can actually hire people for mounting, moving, cleaning, outdoor help, home repairs, and basically just anything you possibly need. And there's an app for this, but basically you can do this online. I think it's easier, but once you're here, you simply need to create an account. Once you create an account, you can simply click on book a task option, and you can basically search for anything that you're trying to fix, whether you're trying to mount a TV, assemble furniture, lift a couch, or just anything like that, any home repairs, etc. And you can even click on see more, and basically once you've done the option you want to do, I'm trying to do home painting, so I'm going to do this, and you basically want to put in your street address, unit apartment, and basically just fill out the tax information. And once you've filled out this form, it'll basically automatically book it. And how you can actually pay for Taskrabbit is you simply want to go back to the account option, which can be found on the home screen of this, and you can click on account, and from here you simply want to click on billing info, and you can basically add your card, Apple Pay, whatever you're trying to pay with. Click on save, and basically after the job is done, it will simply allow you to just complete your transaction just like so. It's easy as that. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.